Hello there, and welcome to Ratio and Proportion Test 3. So in this particular question, one ticket to a local football match costs £5.50. Calculate the cost of 9 tickets. So one ticket, we already know, costs £5.50, but we need to work out the cost of 9 tickets. So you simply just multiply these together. 9 times 0 is 0, 9 times 5 is 45, 5 goes in the box, 4 is carried forward, put the decimal place there. 9 times 5 is 45 again, and just add the 4 at the bottom, and that will give us 49. So in this case, our answer is going to be £49.50. Remember, ratios are simply a way to compare numbers or quantities. A ratio is a comparison of 2 different quantities or more, and a proportion is an equality of 2 ratios. For example, for every 2 apples, we have 3 bananas, for example. And you've got a couple of examples here that will show you how it's done. All right. So ratio and proportion are a very important topic in this particular age category and secondary school. So try your best in these questions. They're all mixture of different types of questions. You'll have to do quite a bit of working out. And we will follow these up in our next class. Good luck.